Hello, my name is Natalie. Welcome to my channel Diamond Painting by Nat. In this video, I would like to show you the unboxing of the canvas of the kit from Crystal Canvas Art Designs. What's unique about this very kit is that it is diamond painted with sparklers only. And I also would like to show you a few of my work in progress so that you would know what I'm working at this moment. As to Crystal Canvas Art Kit design, if you follow my channel and if you watched my previous video, you know that I ordered two kits. I already opened one, a mermaid, and this is the second one that I ordered during the sale. It was 30% sale. This is the design, 40 by 40 centimeters, the sun, and I think I purchased it for $15 or so. The price, the original price was around $25. So let's start with the canvas itself. The design size is 40 by 40 centimeters. It is bead stitched. It is diamond painted with crystals. This kit contains 30 colors, which is a lot actually. Can you imagine 30 colors and all of them are crystals, not a single resin. Now, as to the symbols, they are really very clear. No black wheels around them, which is great. It means that they won't be seen through when the diamond painting is completed. And again, as you see, the symbols are really very well recognizable. This is the sun. This is not my first diamond painting from Crystal Canvas Art Design. I have already completed the cross. Here it is. So the sun is kind of similar. I guess the background is going to be the same with silver crystals. Beautiful. And I might either give it away as a gift or leave it for my house. We'll see. As always, the legends are very conveniently located on both sides. And the canvas material is a standard paper cloth, but with the designs in the corners. Very nice. Now, let's look at the diamonds and then we will go back to my work in progress processes. All Crystal Canvas Art Designs tools come, all Crystal Canvas Art Designs kits come with a standard set of tools, a stylus, a tray, tweezers, and wax, and the baggies. Oh, actually, you know what? This one is a different one because my previous kit, the mermaid, looked a little bit different when it came to crystals. All the crystals were already pre-sorted in individual Ziploc bags. These ones are not, and my least favorite part about diamond painting is knitting up for a new kit. And I guess I will have to do it in 30 colors, so it's gonna be kind of time consuming to sort out all these 30 colors into either containers or Ziploc bags. I wish it's just an exception to the rules and all other kits come already with pre-sorted diamonds. Yeah, people get used to good things pretty fast. I got used to the kits coming already with pre-sorted diamonds. Oh well, have to go back to organizing for my new projects. So these are crystals. This is the first part. Beautiful colors. Here they are. I like this purple one. Here comes more crystals. Amazing colors. Look at them. 30 colors. I guess I will start working on it once I complete the mermaid. I already started working on it, although I haven't finished a lot. Here it is. I love how it's turning out. I love it, I love it, I love it. I knew it would come out beautiful, but it's coming out even better than I expected. So this is the first kit I'm working on right now. Diamond painting kit. I also work on a custom that I received from AliExpress DPF factory. Actually, I was not going to show it to you, but I decided to make a post review once I complete it. This is a custom. It is personal, but at the same time it is religious. Here it is. It's somehow related to Islam, as far as I understand. I am doing it for a very good friend of mine. She is Muslim, and she asked me to complete it after she saw Virgin Mary in diamond painting version. And you know how icons turn out in diamond painting. They look fabulous. And actually, I'm trying to catch an angle. I guess this one is good. And she asked me to do her saint. I'm not sure who this person is. I guess some kind of saint in Muslim religion. And at first I thought that it would turn out horrible because it's black and white. And I couldn't do it with crystals, because I don't even know how to order customs when it comes to crystals. I'm not even sure that such a store exists that makes customs for crystals. No, except of crystal canvas art, but it would be way too expensive. So in any case, but again, I decided to go with AliExpress. And what I decided also to do, to show the holiness of this person, I decided to replace regular resin drills, because this diamond painting is came only with resin drills, square resin drills. So I decided to replace a few colors with AB diamonds, especially when it comes to the cloth of the saint and to the snow where he stands. All the rest will be done with regular resin drills. So I ordered a few AB square drills from Tina, and I actually like how it's turning out. It looks better off the camera. I'm trying to catch the angle to show you the AB effect. Like this, you see? This is the cloth. This is the robe of the saint. So I want it to sparkle more, to reflect his holiness. So hopefully it will turn out beautiful. So these are two diamond paintings that I'm working on right now, two projects. I also work on my beaded cross stitch kit. It's already like the third video in a row I show it to you, and you don't really see any progress made, right? Yeah, it's very time consuming to bead stitch it. So this one, and I also bead stitch this kit from Magic of Beads. Here it is. So hopefully I will complete it soon. So in total I work on 4 projects at this point. This is all for today. Thank you so much for watching, and see you soon.